Hello दोस्तों, hope all are doing great and all are chasing their dreams, all are behind their purpose. Okay, today's topic is why networking is an important aspect one should never ignore. और सबसे बढ़िया काम है राइट नेटवर्किंग। नेटवर्किंग तो हमारे लाइफ में हमेशा रहता है। आप स्कूल चले जाओ तो वहां आपके फ्रेंड्स लोग हैं, आप कॉलेज चले जाओ तो वहां आपके फ्रेंड्स लोग हैं, आप जॉब में आओ तो वहां फ्रेंड्स लोग हैं, आपके नेबरहुड में फ्रेंड लोग हैं, रिलेटिव्स हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों से आप कनेक्टेड रहते हैं। कोई ना कोई तरीके से हर समय कोई ना कोई टाइम पर आप लोगों से कांटेक्ट रहते हैं। आपके मोबाइल फोन में देखा जाए तो मिनिमम 1000 कांटेक्ट होते हैं, वो भी एक पार्ट ऑफ नेटवर्किंग है। आपके स्कूल, कॉलेज, यंग एज, जॉब के जर्नी में या बिजनेस के जर्नी में देखा जाए तो बहुत सारे लोग आपके नेटवर्क में आते हैं। पर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ राइट नेटवर्क? दिस डिस्कशन वॉज इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी कंडक्टेड बिकॉज अगर आप राइट नेटवर्क में नहीं हैं, अगर आप राइट कनेक्ट में नहीं हैं और आप 500 ऐसे लोग को जानते हैं जो आपके कोई काम के नहीं हैं, जिनको आप ना आपकी तकलीफ के टाइम बुला सकते हैं, ना आपके सपोज कुछ फाइनेंशियल लॉस हुआ उसमें टच कर सकते हैं, जॉब लॉस हुआ उसमें नहीं टच कर सकते हैं, सपोज कुछ आपके ऊपर कैलामिटी आ गया उस पर टच नहीं कर सकते हैं, सपोज आपको कुछ एडवाइस लेना है उस पर नहीं बात कर सकते हैं, सपोज आपको कुछ प्रमोशन चाहिए उस पर आप नहीं बात कर सकते हैं, सपोज कुछ लाइफ में एडवाइस चाहिए उस पर नहीं बात कर सकते। तो यू हैव अ नेटवर्क विच इज ऑफ नो यूज। What is the formula of right network? The formula of right network is how you can grow with them, how you can make your life better, how you can climb the ladder of success with these people pushing you from behind or suggesting you or mentoring you or guiding you, whatever जो भी आप एग्जाम्पल लगा लो। तो नेटवर्किंग ऐसा होना चाहिए कि इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम एडवाइस, यू हैव एटलीस्ट 5 पर्सन इन योर फोन लिस्ट दैट यू कैन डायल, टॉक, अंडरस्टैंड, डिस्कस एंड यू कैन हैव अ पीस ऑफ माइंड। सपोज यू आर रनिंग इन टू अ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम विच इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म प्रॉब्लम, you should have 5 people in your network with whom you can talk anything about your finance condition and they are ready for you to help you out in that particular phase of problem. Suppose you are into your job journey and you are working in a company. You have to have at least 10 people in your network from your job market who are there for you in your thick and thin times. Suppose tomorrow company decides to do cost cutting and your name has come in the cost cutting list because of many reasons. I will not discuss that. And you have to now take some action. And if you think that now it's the time to move on, so you should dial these 10 people and you should get some solution, some positive approach, some guidance, some help that you are in the next job, after your notice period in the present company. Such should be your network. Suppose you are in the in your neighborhood and you are living there for say 15 years. You should have at least 10 people in your phone list from your area that suppose if you have some problem tomorrow, or suppose if you have some celebration tomorrow, or suppose if you want some guidance from them to do something for the society, or you want to do some puja in the house, or you want to have a get together in the neighborhood, or you want to organize some function, you have to have 10 people in the list who will stand by you that yes, we are there, please go ahead, we will also fund something and we will support your cause, and if some help is needed we are there, or at least they will mentor you, or at least they will suggest you that now it is not the right time to do all this and we can do some time later. some good advice from those people will come who know you better and in whose network you are there, and you should also be of the same category for them also. It is not a one-way traffic. Networking is always a two-way traffic. If you don't stand by your friend circle, if you don't stand by your network of people, if you don't stand by your connect, your friendships, your colleagues, your known people, then nobody will stand for you. So you have to be in the same wavelength as you are expecting from them. So networking is a very important aspect. Networking and becoming a yes man, networking and becoming a person who is ready to do anything, everything, is a very thin line in between. You should not become that side person who is yes man और कुछ भी सुन लेगा या ना नहीं बोलेगा या अपना विचार नहीं रखेगा या कुछ भी एक्सेप्टेड है उसके लिए. ऐसा नहीं. नेटवर्किंग का मतलब है यू शुड हैव द राइट माइंडसेट पीपल इन योर सर्कल who will stand by you in your thick and thin times and they are just a phone call away. Worst to worst, if you need some good advice, you should have 10 people in your phone list who can give you a better advice and who are at better position and who are doing good in their career, job, money, status, whatever. But you should have such people in your list. So networking is a very vast and important subject which one should never ignore, because अगर आप अपना जॉब किया घर पे आ गया, जॉब किया घर पे आ गया, जॉब किया घर पे आ गया, कोई नेटवर्क नहीं बनाया आपने, कल को आपको कुछ काम पड़ गया, इट कैन बी पर्सनल, इट कैन बी योर फैमिली, इट कैन बी योर किड्स, इट कैन बी योर सराउंडिंग, इट कैन बी योर जॉब, इट कैन बी योर फाइनेंस, इट कैन बी योर मेडिकल, देन यू स्टार्ट मेकिंग connect with people, then very few people will join you at that crisis time, because people will not know you so much that they will come running for you. For them, you are a stranger. For them, you are just a person whom they will help or not help. It's a subject of discussion or that thought process. So networking maintenance, networking building, networking working is a very important aspect. One should never forget. 3 types of people we have seen with whom you should connect in your life journey, so that you can do something better with your connects and in your career. The first one is the impactors. These are the people who will impact your life in a big way if you want to discuss with them for any topic which you want are disturbed, or you want clarification, or you want guidance, or you want advice, whatever. So impactor. Second is the promoter type people. So promoter type people, as I told you, are those people who are sitting at good positions, who are sitting at good places, who have wide network connectivity, and your one phone call will help you in a big way, because they know how to promote a person in which area, field, market, whatever you say, faster and quicker, because they are in connect with many people ahead and they are well connected with the marketplace. Third one is the experts. These experts are those people who will not push you so much, but they will give their expert advice which is worth millions of rupees, because correct advice मिलना बहुत काम का होता है, correct guidance मिलना बहुत काम का होता है. खाली हेल्प करने वाला ही मेंटोर या हेल्प करने वाला ही नेटवर्क में मिलेगा, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. एक गाइड, एक कंसल्टेंसी, एक एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस, एक मेंटोर एडवाइस बहुत मायने रखता है टू चेंज योर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग. सो आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव गॉट सम मैसेज आउट ऑफ दिस, एंड मेंटेन अ हेल्दी नेटवर्किंग एनवायरमेंट इन योर लाइफ जर्नी, बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू इन अ मच बेटर वे. छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. सपोज कल को आपका जॉब चला गया, अभी आपको तुरंत जॉब चाहिए, नोटिस पीरियड के अंदर अंदर आपको जॉब चाहिए. आपके मोबाइल फोन में ऐसा 10 लोग होना चाहिए आपके फील्ड का या जो भी फील्ड का आप काम कर रहे हैं, कि आपने उसको फोन कर दिया कि अरे यार मैं थोड़ा अभी यहाँ पे ये ऐसा हो गया है, कॉस्ट कटिंग हो गया, मुझे निकलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा देखना तेरे कहीं है क्या. So they will spread their information in their circle, and in next 1 week or 10 days time, you will get a reply that yes, yaar ek jagah khali hai, you apply for that. We have spoken to the manager or GM. Let us see if you can get it. So this is very important, and this only happens when you have taken the effort, taken the, broad mindset view to maintain your network in a healthy and better way, so that it can work for you in the long run. And as I said, networking is a two-way traffic. You should also be of the same mindset then that when they need help, you are standing for them first. You are helping them out first. You are working a good time to see that their problem is solved first, because networking is a two-way traffic. When you need help, they will help you, but when they need help, you will shy away from that. That will never work it out, and you will spoil your name also. So please believe in the power of networking, and please practice a good networking mindset so that it can help you in a much, much better way. Think over it, understand, and see how you can practice in your living and in your job life. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.